Hello and welcome to this tutorial on reflecting feelings. Let's roll up our sleeves and get started. When it comes to reflecting feelings in counseling, the sooner you identify a painful emotion such as anger, the sooner you can work to regulate that emotion rather than waiting for that emotion to get to a boiling point or a point where it erupts like a volcano. We can do this in several different ways. One technique is to have the client locate that in the body, to locate where they feel the feeling, look at the intensity of the emotion, and then practice sitting with the emotion, actually feeling the feeling. The caveat is that sometimes our clients are uncomfortable with their emotions. They may have been socialized not to feel anger, or they may have been socialized not to express sadness. So a lack of congruence may be a clue for discomfort. One really helpful tool for helping clients to reflect those feelings is using something like a feeling wheel or a feeling flower. In the center of the feeling wheel are the primary emotions, or some primary emotions. There's some variation among theorists about which qualify as primary emotions. It's typically agreed upon that there's five: anger, which we prefer to call mad, sad, glad. Makes it easier for people to remember. So mad could also be worded as anger. Sad, glad could also be synonymous with joy. And then fear and disgust are also listed as primary emotions. For the purposes of the feeling wheel or the feeling flower that we use, we have mad, sad, glad, fear, strong, and peaceful. And peaceful is kind of the area of the feeling wheel where the counselor wants to be, facilitating a safe, peaceful environment, collaborating with the client to create this environment. The two most common presenting problems we see in counseling are depression and anxiety. So that falls under the fear and the sadness. But clients may be at any area of the feeling wheel at any given time. And I like what Mr. Rogers said, and I think it's important to keep that in mind, and that he believed that if we could help children to know that feelings are mentionable and manageable, and especially to help them manage feelings like anger, then we could do a great service to mental health and creating a safer world for the next generation. And so the feeling flower is not just a tool to talk about emotions, but it's also a tool that can be a part of a movement to creating a safer world, to helping people manage their emotions and feel more safe and secure, so they can get back up on top of the circle of security that we talk about in attachment and accomplish their goals. So we like to use a feeling flower that can encourage emotional literacy, encourage growing in emotional vocabulary, helping clients bloom in terms of their emotional intelligence. In celebration of the new book launching, The Four Relationship Styles, my friend and colleague Hannah helped me create this beautiful feeling wheel with these fun colors, and it says pick your feeling on top, and you can even see some little emoticons. So I just wanted to make that available to you guys, and so I will put information on how to access that in the description below. But as we work on reflecting feelings, it's important to listen for clients' feeling words and make sure to reflect those, whether in paraphrases or as keywords, and then to explore them. Again, we want to explore where the client's feeling them in the body. We want to look at intensity, and we want to make sure to attend to those feelings. We'll continue working on this, but these are some things to keep in mind as we start off with working on reflecting feelings in session. I hope this gives you a few concepts to contemplate. Until next time, God bless you.